In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an image inside of Canva. So first, go to the project or the canvas that you want to add an image to. For me, I've just opened up a blank document, but you can add this to any project you want. Now, once you've got that open, here on the bottom bar, you'll be able to slide through it. And what you're looking for really is the camera icon. So it should be next to the text icon, but they do move this around. So click on the camera. You can also click on uploads as well. Now, the camera will open up your camera, and obviously here you'll see all of your images and videos. If you click on uploads, you can click upload files from your photo library and you will see the exact same thing. So I'm going to upload this image of a Bangkok skyline. So select it and then click add. And what it will do is it will upload the image to your Canva account. You'll also be able to use this image on Canva on the desktop as well. Once the image is on, you can go ahead and then go to the upload section again. You can click on the image and it will just add it to your document. Here you can zoom in and out, you can resize the image, and you can do whatever you need with the image. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.